aqui você dança pra valer.
DJ Alisson.
Só toca as melhores. As melhores. I won't ya.
The way you walk got my whole life berserk. The way you smile puts my dirty mind to work. The way you talk got my blood rising higher. Just like a virgin, you're my freaky desire. style. Freaky D style. Freaky D style. Freaky D.
I met this girl walking down the block singing. I said, you fine, sexy thing, you looks like a fox singing. I rubbed it down, felt the hair, said, this ain't real.
She said, no, player, I ain't real either.
I was walking down the street when I met Miss Lula singing. She had a greasy chicken breast up on a soup cooler singing. She sat down, started finger licking. The girl said, thank the Lord for Kentucky Fried Chicken. Ha!
I met this girl at 12:15 singing. When she got in the car, there was an awful smell singing. I played it off for an hour. Hey baby, haven't you heard of a shower? I saw this girl walking down the block singing. In her mouth she had a bunch of gold rocks singing. They weren't real, they were cheap. Cold press, cause you got the cavity crease. I met this girl and she tried to act pretty singing. She was from Miami's own Liberty City singing. Bangles, rag tops, cross me, and bet yourself you'll get dropped.
I saw Miss Thing sitting at the bus stop singing. Sitting right beside her was an undercover cop singing. Hey mister, got a dime, let's spend some time. Come on lady, you done just committed a crime.
Okay, it's my turn now. It's my turn now.
breakdown.
selling that body, man.
Shouldn't even done that.
No.
It's crazy.
Crazy.
Word.
And then he skipped town with all your bread.
Got hit by a car, fell to the ground.
And people all over start to gather around.
And he was hurt so bad, it seemed to be.
But he was only down for the currency.
Huh? Ladies at the corner look so fine.
And man, oh man, I wish she was mine.
I mean, she looked so cute with a skin tight suit.
But she was selling that body as a prostitute.
Well, it might sound sad
or might sound funny, but that's what people do for money.
Children growing up to see this. Teenage girls dating senior citizens.
I said, tell me, girl, what's happening?
She said, I'm down on my luck. So what?
I'll see if I can lay him for a couple of bucks.
3 cards in my hand, 1 red, 2 black.
You know, red is making money, black you make nothing back.
I'm sorry.
You lost all your money in 3-card Molly.
$1 in your pocket and now you're broke.
You're dying from hunger and you need a smoke, huh?
You played a 3 to win 8 to 1.
You lost your only dollar, now you have none.
It might sound sad
Or might sound funny, but that's what people do for money.
Put 40 hours in at a minimum wage.
meditation, sitting and waiting for peaceful relaxation. Hypnosis, diagnosis, behavior modification.
DJ Anderson.